Hi guys, and welcome to Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. I hope you all doing well. My name is Ayesha and this is my platform. So, do you want a flat tummy? Do you want to look in shape? Do you want six-pack? Why not make this cucumber, ginger and lemon water with me? You should drink this water on an empty stomach. During the day, as you are eating, snacking, you can also drink it. It's going to keep you in shape. It's going to ensure that you burn a lot of fat. Because, ginger is good, apart from its anti-inflammatory properties. It is also good for burning fats. Similarly, cucumber is also high in water content. So, snacking on cucumber is good for you. And then the lemon is high in vitamin C, which is aids in the promotion of wound. So again, it's gonna target all those inflammation in your body, and it's going to leave your skin smooth and supple. So our body is made up of approximately between 65 to 70% of water. So it's good to incorporate in a lot of water. So we're gonna make this recipe. Stay tuned and watch as I take you through the process. It's very simple, but it's very powerful. So on this platform, we make cuisines around the world, from herbal teas, from healthy smoothies and drinks, to beautiful dishes and healthy dishes for your overall health and well-being. And so I have some water in here filtered, and I have in here our ginger, our cucumber and our lemon. So as you can see, in this bottle it's being incorporated with some cucumber, and the seeds of the lemon is also high, has so many properties that is good for your health. It also has anti-aging and anti-cancer properties. So don't just get rid of your lemon or orange seeds. Apart from planting it, you can also chew on it. If you like to snack on junk, why not substitute it to the seeds of lemon or oranges? So yeah, I'm just gonna fill this up with some water, and then we are done and dusted. We're just gonna cover it and then allow the water to slowly infuse with all the goodies from the water. So we set this aside and then we'll work on this one. So guys, we're just gonna incorporate in our lemon, our ginger and our cucumber, and then just add some water. And the reason for not blending it is because the whole purpose is get the fruit as well as the vegetable to infuse in the water, so as you are drinking you'll be able to snack on them as well. So yeah, so basically this is it, and then you give it a good stir, and then that's it. Really easy peasy lemon squeezy. So this is it. We are done and dusted. I hope you enjoy the recipe, and please give me a thumbs up for like. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell icon for notification, and don't forget to share the video. Until then, check out my rice and peas recipe. I'll put in the description my jollof rice recipe and all my healthy smoothie. Until then, it's a goodbye from Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. Keep sharing, keep subscribing, and take care of your health. Bye.